I bet you wanna know how we got this far. I said, I bet you wanna know how we got this far. Do you wanna know how we got this far? Welcome to the show, to the History Mix. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kai here with another video. It's the last video of my holiday series. This video is going to be a little bit more of a full glam. This video is going to be a little bit more full glam, a little bit heavier. We'll see how it goes. So if you want to know how to get the look, keep on watching. Let's get into it. Alright, first we're going to be going in with the Farsali liquid glass and just applying that all over the face as we usually do. Next, we're going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in this shade 220N and just applying that all over the face. Next, going in with concealer, this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.8, and we're just going to be applying this all in the center of the face. Next, with the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Compact in the shade Light, I'm just going to be powdering my entire face. Alright, we're actually going to be using the same eyeshadow palette from last video, and we're just going to be taking that light brown color and just applying that in the outer V, mainly as the transition color. Next, we're going to be taking the dark brown shade and just applying that into the outer corner and blending everything out. Next, we're going to be taking the bone color and just applying that on the lid. And another thing I forgot to mention is we also took the medium and the dark brown shades and applied those on the lower lash line. Next, we're going to be taking the gold shimmer and applying that all over the lid. Next, we're going to be taking the Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner in brown and just lining the upper lash line. Now we're just going to be curling the lashes and using the Clump Crusher mascara on both top and bottom lashes. Now for eyebrows, we're going to be going in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5. Next, we're going to be going in with the Gimme Brow Brow Gel in the shade 3. Next, we're going to be going in with the Tarte Blush in Natural Beauty and just applying that on the upper cheeks. For contour, I'm going to be taking my Aesthetica Cosmetics palette and I'm just going to be using the medium brown shade for under my cheekbones and the darkest brown shade for my jawline. Now I'm going to be taking the flat glossy lipstick from the Face Shop and I'm just going to be applying that all over the lips. Second, I'm going to be taking my Yves Saint Laurent lipstick in the shade The Slim and applying that as well. Next, for highlighter, we're going to be using Becca's highlighter in Opal. Alright everyone, that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please give it a like. And also, while you're here, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. I post every Saturday at 1 p.m. EST. And that's that. I will see you guys next week. Bye for now.